Welcome to MC3 Manufacturing, an international source for effective conveyor solutions, custom fabrication, and engineering services. Located only minutes from the Windsor, Michigan border, MC3 Manufacturing are experts in designing, building, and delivering everything steel. With approximately 50,000 square feet of manufacturing space, MC3 can turn around projects within the timely demands of today's marketplace. From conveyors to washer housings to stairways and platforms, MC3 Manufacturing is committed to creating partnerships through manufacturing excellence. Before renaming to MC3 Manufacturing, the company was known as Master Conveyors, and for good reason. With over 20 years of experience, MC3 Manufacturing are experts in creating conveyor and filtration system solutions for almost any industry. MC3 Manufacturing works with their customers to develop custom conveyor solutions that are effective, precise, and help increase efficiency within the plant. From chip conveyors to filtration systems to material handling conveyors, MC3 Manufacturing conveyors are built to keep things moving. MC3's project management team is ready to help ensure that all specifications, timelines, and budgets are met for every project. Final delivery's a breeze, since our close proximity to the Windsor, Michigan border allows for quick, reliable delivery to any location throughout North America. Big or small, your projects are unique, and MC3 Manufacturing has the experience to create custom solutions that will bring your company forward. From stainless steel to mild steel and even aluminum, MC3 Manufacturing is a job shop that is ready to work with you. In addition to being ISO certified, MC3 uses lean manufacturing practices to maximize efficiency throughout each plant. When your company is looking for custom fabrication services, look no further than MC3 Manufacturing. MC3 Manufacturing offers in-house engineering services to create the complete solution for your project. MC3's experienced staff are ready to provide effective, efficient designs at competitive market prices. Our proven team-focused design process includes initial meeting, concept development, budgeting, drawings, build components and runoffs, delivery and installation. Communicating with clients at each of these levels ensures 100% satisfaction with the final system. MC3's dedication to efficiency and process has made them a leader in quality craftsmanship and on-time delivery. Every member of the MC3 Manufacturing team is committed to partnerships. Customers have described MC3 Manufacturing as valued partners who provide high-quality products. MC3 Manufacturing customers have 100% confidence that MC3 Manufacturing is going to do things the right way and at a competitive rate. To learn more about MC3 Manufacturing, visit the website at www.mc3mfg.com or call us toll-free at 877-726-9990. MC3 Manufacturing, committed to partnerships through manufacturing excellence.